Hey there, welcome, and I want to invite you to a short practice with yoga moves that we're just going to use to strengthen, stretch, open up, release fascia, and just overall get our energy flowing. So let's begin. We're going to start in the standard tabletop position. We're going to use this a lot. When we say tabletop, we're just on all fours. From this one, go up into a downward dog, tuck your chin into your chest. I'm on my toes, and I'm just feeling my back arch, feeling the stretch in my lower back, down my legs. So hold and breathe. In and exhale. Keep that chin tucked. Okay, from here, I want you to stay on your right foot and lift your left foot into the sky as high as you can go. Point the toe towards the sky. You're going to feel this in your left hip opening up. You're going to feel the strengthening, toning down your right leg. I'm on my right toes, holding and breathing. One more breath. Now bring that knee down to your right elbow. Hold. Back to the sky. Back to the elbow, right elbow. Back to the downward dog position. Let's move the other leg. Take your left foot and keep that stationary. Move your right leg up into the sky. Point your toe. Feel the stretch in your right hip. Down your left leg. Keep your chin tucked and breathe. Long exhales. With each long exhale, just stretch a little further. 2 more breaths. Last one. Bring that knee down, right knee to the left elbow, and hold. Take it back up into the sky. Back down to the elbow. Back up to the sky. And down to the downward dog once again. From the downward dog, I want you to walk your hands out a little bit, about 6 inches. And now with our back arched, we're going to roll forward. Roll forward, just knees touch, but don't put your knees down. You're just kissing the mat or holding, looking up. Breathe and exhale. Now arch your back again. Go back up into the downward dog. And now let's do that as a fluid motion. Forward. Kiss the knees, chin up, arch your back, and back. Forward again, knees kiss, chin up, and back. Chin tucked, roll forward, arching the back. Hold. From this position, just move up into a plank. Engage your abs. Shoulder blades are squeezed together. Keep your left arm down. Right goes up to the sky. We're opening up. We're holding. Bring it back down. Let's do the other side. Squeeze my back. You're going to see. Hold. Plank. Now just take your knees down, go all the way down, and go up into a prone cobra. Back is arched, chin is up, just stretching. You engage your abs, take some of the pressure off your lower back, and just stretch it. Breathe in deep and exhale. Take your chin to your right shoulder. Just feel that stretch. Feel it in your neck. This is going to open up your neck, down your spine, shoulder. Back to center. Let's do the other. Chin to the left shoulder. Feel it in your neck. Back to center and down. Come up into that tabletop position. From that tabletop position, I want you to take your knees out wide. Take your rear and move it back towards your heels. And now, arch your back and go forward. Nose to the ground. Just feel this. This is called a child's pose. Feel this in your groin, opening up your hips, feel this in your shoulders. Breathe. Okay, walk your fingers back towards you a little bit. They're almost vertical. I'm in this position, my legs are still out in a child's pose position. And I'm going to move forward, touch my nose to the mat, and hold. And up and back. Bottom kisses your ankles. Now forward to your nose and hold. And back. And get back into the tabletop position. And from this position, I want you to lift your left foot so it's up. Put your hands together in a prayer position. Elbows are out. Take your right elbow, put this at the outside of your left knee. Turn your arms, those elbows so they're vertical. Look up to the sky and hold. Feel this in your lower back. Feel this opening your hips up. Feel this in your shoulder. And exhale. Back to center. Tabletop. Let's put that right foot up now. Prayer position. Elbows are out. Left elbow outside the right knee. Take it up. Turn and look towards the sky. Opening up lower back, all along the spine, your rib cage. All right, very good. Move back to the tabletop. From the tabletop, take your left knee, place it between your two hands. Take yourself down to the ground. Hold. Going to feel this in that left hip. I have my right toe arch position, so I'm also stretching my right toe. So do this, just feeling some of these positions open up, and just breathe and exhale. Every time you exhale, I'll go a little deeper in that stretch. All right, let's come back up to the tabletop, moving that right knee between your two hands, taking your left leg back, so my left toe is stretching and moving forward over my right knee, chest is down towards that right knee, and I'm just holding, feeling the stretch. My right hip, feel this touch my left hip, left toe, sorry. Just stretching and opening up my back. Very good. Let's get back up into the tabletop. And that is a wrap on those yoga exercises. I'm going to give you one bonus Qigong exercise, which is a Chinese art similar to Tai Chi that is good for moving energy in your body, okay? And so I would invite you to try this one. It's a 6-phase motion. So just follow me. We're going to go down and we're scooping. We're scooping up and we're inhaling. Hold, exhale, and stretch. Now, take your shoulders back. You just feel this on the exhale. Now breathe in. My knees are bent just a little bit. Now we're going to push it away. Bring it back in. Take it down into the earth. Okay, let's do that again. Scoop it up, scooping up energy. Just bringing it. Exhale. Arch your back, stretch your shoulders, chest out. Bring it in. Push it out. Bring it in. Push it down. Let's do just one more of those. Down and scoop. Up. Exhale. This is a great relaxation, but it's just opening your body up. Push it out. Bring it in. Take it down. All right, you can keep doing that one for a number of rounds, do it for a minute. And again, that's just getting some circulation flowing. We are moving different pieces of our body. We're doing some squats motion with that. And the breathing is good for nervous system regulation to help us relax. So that's your practice for today. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Stay tuned for some more.